So as you can see right now, I am the largest stack, and it pays out 4 places out of 8. So I'm chilling in first place. Table is looking pretty nice right now. I'm at 2,318 chips. I stayed out of it for a while, but this guy's sneaking up with the 1,899 chips, 1,891 chips, so I'm gonna step back in. I'm gonna play it cool. I coulda, I coulda, I coulda went harder on him. There was nines on the board. I didn't have the nuts. I knew I had him beat though. I just decided to take a chunk out of him. Make it entertaining for the group. I'm chilling at close to 3,000 chips right now. I could literally just not play a hand. But this is actually the best time to be aggressive. Here I have a inside straight draw. This guy is pushing. I'm not going to chase.